Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Mirabelle Korea Fairness Facial Masks which retail for Rs 99 each and they are available right now on Nykaa. Mirabelle is one of Korea's best selling sheet mask brands. These masks are actually 100% organic because they are made up of pure cotton. These masks are suitable for all type of skin, oily, dull or dry. Let's hop on to see more about these sheet masks.
So these sheet masks can be used both by men and women, which is mentioned right here in their packaging. It helps to keep the skin tone clear and bright, and it gives a facial like glow to your skin. These are basically soaked in all the herbal ingredients and they help in hydrating your skin, clearing your skin, brightening your skin and makes you give a glowing complexion. Another amazing benefit of this one is it eliminates any sort of harmful ingredients as it is used by raw materials that is obtained directly from nature. So these are amazing little sheet masks over here, and I'm going to apply this and then show you how it works on my skin. Directions of application is pretty simple. You just have to wash your face, wipe it with a dry towel, apply this sheet mask, keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then whatever residue remaining essence is there, you have to massage it really nicely onto your skin and then just leave it like that. You're not supposed to wash your face.
So I removed the sheet mask 15 minutes post applying it, and whatever remaining essence was there, I massaged it all over my face and took it downwards towards my neck as well. My skin felt really soft and hydrated. I felt like I got back all the necessary moisturization.
So that was all for the review of these facial face masks. If you have found this video helpful, do like this video and let me know what is your experience using any sort of sheet mask. In case you're interested in buying this, please check my description box. I will try to link them down below. Follow me in all my social media links, especially Instagram. All the details are again there in the description box down below. If you like me, if you like watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to press the bell button which is right beside it. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself, take care of your skin, be healthy, be happy, and bye bye.